Ngasigi thoram asigi kai khumnajariba thoiba mithunglen oina lengshin bigidoriba Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur mingoina hangajarabada Shri Nongthombam Biren Singh thoram pangthokliba mafam asida lengshin birakle duna phai pumnamakna taram nokpinabagidamagta nolukjari. Loinanai kai khumnajariba Cabinet Minister Singh, Honorable MLA Chairman Singh Sudai Salengkhat Biraknaba Nolukjari. And also would like to request respected Chief Secretary, Sir Dr. Vinit Joshi, to be on the dais.
Hello?
Ahanbada khwai pumnamakpu ikoknona khurumjari. Amading asigi pangthokjariba thoramasi asoyangam apanayet amata pibidana haubadagi loiba fauba mapungfana pangthokpa ngamba pinabiyo haina pumnamaki mahus sinjaraga taibang shemba mapuda khurumjari. Ngasi December gi tang mapal. Ngasi gi numit asi Manipuri singi yamna maruoiba amadi harau nungaijaba numit amani. Chahi mangagi mamang ngasi gi numit simak December gi tang Mapal, English ngani tara mapal, Ningthokaba numita, Lok Sabhada, Honorable Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah Jina, inner line permit ILP system da Manipur su yauragani lauthopiki. Manipuri singna matam kaya awa ana akiba kaya tungoinaram laga ILP chatna hanbiro laujakiba angang ahal nupa nupi khwaigi penjaba ngamkhai leikide. Manglam chatta Manipurgi Puwarida Lamdamasida Changlakpa Amadi Thokibagi Masagi permit system Lejarambadu Matamdugi Assamgi Chief Commissioner Shri Himmat Singhna Thokiba official notification Amana Ing Lisingamaga Chamapal Yankai November Gitang Taraga Nipaldagi Makhatana Chanekide. Asumna Lejaramba Manghankiba Amadi Miyamna Chanahanbiyu Lauzaba Tabirakiba English ngani tara mapal December gi mapal da lauthoki December gi kuntrama thoida official notification thoki makha tarakpada English ngani kun January gi tang amadagi Manipur da ILP system amuk nauna chanaki adubu lauthoki ba numit December gi tang mapal English ngani tara mapal dugi chahi manga shuba numit ki thauramni ngasi pangthokliba asi Home Department, Loinana Planning Department, Government of Manipur, Anina Kutsam Naduna, Nasigi, Sinjalangjariba, Thoramasibu Mapung Fahan Binabagi Damagda, Dais the Lengshin Binirba, Honorable Chief Minister, Cabinet Minister Singh, Honorable MLA Chairman Singh, Mang the Lengshin Biriba, Tongan Tonganba, Bivaki, Official Singh, Loinana, Lengshin Biriba, Imalupki, Imaibil Singh, Tongan ba CSO organization gi yamna achangba thomi sing student organization gi thomi sing loinana maike kaya dagi lengbirakliba ahallaman imai bel lai guru satran ha khwai pumna makpo ahakna sinja langjari bagi mau sinjaraga ngasi gi thoram masida taramno okchari aduna akhoi thoram asi makha chathajaba yanabagidamata ahanbada lengshin biriba kai khumnajariba mithunglen singi mafamda chamna langjariba khudolpot sing khudol tamjaduna kai khumnaba uchabagi tanjadu lawjari. And would like to request our Honorable Chief Secretary, Sir, Dr. Vinit Joshi, to do the honoring and felicitation of our respected chief guest of today's function. Ngasigi thoramasigi kai kumnajariba chief guest oina lengshin biriba Honorable Chief Minister Manipur mingoina hangacharabada Shri Nongthombam Birin Singhi mafamda chamna langjariba leng buke loinana lei pambi amakaktang khudol tamchaduna ikai kumnaba uchari. Thank you so much. And our respected Commissioner Home Government of Manipur, Shri N. Ashok Kumar, IAS, is doing the felicitation of our respected Minister, Power, Forest, Environment and Climate Change, Agriculture, Science and Technology, Shri T.S. Viswajit Singh. And next we have Honorable Minister, Medical Health and Family Welfare, IPR, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh. And also we have Sir Govindas Konthosam, Honorable Minister, PWD, Youth Affairs and Sports. Taramnok Cheri, Thagachari. Mathangda Lingbirakli Baikai Kumnajariba, Honorable Minister, Medical Health, Family Welfare and IPR, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, Taramnok Cheri, Noluk Cheri. Mathang the Lingshin Biribai Kai Kumnajariba, Honorable Minister, Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Shri Thanaucham Basanta Kumar Singh, Sarbusu Taramnok Cheri, Ikai Kumnaba Ucheri. Mathang the Lingshin Biriba, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry, Veterinary and Transport, Shri Khashim Vashum, Sarbusu Taramnok Cheri, Ikai Kumnaba Ucheri. Mathang the Lingshin Biriba, Honorable Minister, Skill, Labor, Employment and Entrepreneurship and Fisheries, Shri Hekam Dingo Singh. Sabusunga Sigi Thoramasida, Taramnok Cheri, Kaikumnaba Ucheri. Mathang the Lingshin Biriba Kai Kumnajariba, Honorable Minister, PHED, CAF and PD, Shri L. Susindro Maitei, Taramnok Cheri, Ikai Kumnaba Ucheri. Would like to request Commissioner Home Government of Manipur, Shri N. Ashok Kumar, IAS, to do the honor of our respected Honorable Emily's on the dais. Taramnok Cheri Ikai Kumnajariba, Honorable Emily Moirang Assembly Constituency, Ikai Kumnajariba, Sir. Mathangda Lamnai Assembly Constituency Gi sa Ibomcha Taramnok Cheri Noluk Cheri. ngasigi thoramasida ikai khunajariba mithunglengi phampam langda lengshinberiba honorable Emily Singh tongan tongan ba board ki chairperson oinasu thokpobiriba singi mafamda langjariba khudol pot sing khudol tamjaduna ikai khumnaba uchari pumnamakpusu sinjalangjariba gi mahu sinjaraga taramno okchari lengbirakliba ikai khumnajariba mithunglen singi mafamda chamna langjariba khudol pot sing khudol tamjaduna ikai khumnaba uchakraba matung asidi ngasigi thoramasigi senglaba maira ikai khumnajariba chief guest na luchingbiduna chukhatpinabagi damakta nolukchari masigi makha tarakpada matamaduda pumnamakpu thagachari thoramakha chathajarak poina ngasigi thoramasigi matamaduda miyamgi kholau ILP chatnahanbiro lauduna chachaba miyamgi khongchatta miyamlatta miyamgi mitmangda ashwopanna maramoiduna kanbangamda punsi pikhamna khiba miyamna nungsijaraba lamjing maira sapam Robin Hood ki thauna adubu amuktanga hana ikai khumnaba uchaboina amadi mapugi leikolda ingna chikna atma shanti oina leinabagi damakta ngamjaba hairang leirang amamamtang katpinabagi damakta pumnamakpu nolukchari ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯥꯄꯝ ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟ ꯍꯨꯗꯀꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯃꯝꯇꯪ ꯀꯠꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯄꯤꯅꯕ श्रद्धांजलि कत्पीनबा नोलुक्चरी लोइनना ngasi thoram asi makha chathajaba oina ngasi thoram asi taramna opagi warol welcome address thambiranaba nolukna hangachari ikai khumnajariba Shri N Ashok Kumar IAS Commissioner Home Government of Manipur
Kurumjeri Good morning to all. I am honored to be present before you today to give the welcome address on this occasion of celebration of 5 years of implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur with an interaction session with beneficiaries of CMESS special package to startups entrepreneurs for employment of internally displaced persons under Manipur Startup Scheme 2.0. I, on behalf of Government of Manipur, welcome you all present to this function. I take this opportunity to welcome Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh to be the chief guest of today's function and for your guidance and leadership in organizing today's event. I welcome you for this event, sir. I take this opportunity to welcome all the Honorable Ministers, Honorable MLAs, Chairpersons and other dignitaries, Chief Secretary, DGP, PCCF, other officials present here to make this function a grand success. I welcome the civil society organizations, Students Union and the family of Sri Robin Hood present here on these functions. I also take this opportunity to welcome the internally displaced persons, Student Union, banks and other financial institutions who are supporting the startup scheme as well as the startup entrepreneurs who are supporting the IDPs in getting the employment. I take this opportunity to welcome all the people present here on this occasion of celebration of 5 years of implementation of the inner line permit system in Manipur. I take this opportunity to welcome the media persons, both electronic, print media present here for this coverage and taking this message of inner line implementation of inner line permit system to the people as well as others, conveying the thanks from our side. I welcome once and all for everyone present here for this function. Thank you very much.
Thagachari, ikai khumnajariba Commissioner Home Government of Manipur Shri N Ashok Kumar IAS ngasigi pangthokjariba thoram asigi taramna opagi warol marichuna thambiramba hainga leitana thagachaba phongdokjari mathangi asina thoram asi makha chathajarak poina ngasigi aikoina palan tawba ngamliba numit asi phangnabagi damakta होनबिखिबा इमा इबेल सिंह अहल लमन सिंह सात्र नहा ख्वाई पुमनमकपु ngasigi numit asigi khudong chaba lawjeraga yamba yamdaba thidana aikoina matamatuda honabikhiba lebak pumbagi oina honabikhiba thongna adubu ikai khumnajaba uchabo oina makoida ngamjaba khudol amamamtang khudol tamjaduna ikai khumna buchabagi tanja adu lawjeri aduna ahakna mathang mathang ming laukthokjaba matamda khara khajik khonglai yangna stage ta lengshin biraknabagi damakta nolukcheri ahanbada doctor अहानबदा इकाई खुनजरिबा लेखिद्रबा सापम रॉबिन हुड की इमुंग मनुंगी मियोइसिंग लेंखपिरकनबगिदमक्ता नलुकचरी अमदि इकाई खुनजरिबा ngasi थोरमसगी चीफ गेस्ट ओइना लेंखिनबिरिबा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ना इकाई खुना बहुत पिनबगिदमक्ता सु नलुकचरी Masigi mathangda Dr. K. Hira Kabui Union gi President Oja Lengkhapiraknaba Nolukchari mathangda Oja Sapamcha Jadumani President Federation Oja Lengkhapiraknaba Nolukchari mathang khara khongna yang na lengshin biraknaba Nolukchari Dr. K. Hira Kabui Union gi President mathangda Oja Sapamcha Jadumani President Federation of Haumi masigi mathangda All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee gi SM Zalal Oja Lengshin Biraknaba Nolukchari mathangda Universal Mother Organization gi President Ima Sorojini Lengshin Biraknaba Nolukchari JC-ILPS की यामना थौना लेना मतमदुदा अकी अखंग अमत लेदा थवाई मांगनी इसागी करी तोंजब लेगनी हाइबा थीदना होनबिखिबा थौमी सिंगसु लेंखपिरकनबगिदमक्ता नलुकचरी JC-ILPS की थौमी सिंग All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee की वजा SM जलाल Universal Mothers Organization की President Ima Sorojini mathangda Gorkha Samaj Muri की Durga Prasad Loinana Kishan Prasad Lengshin Biraknaba Nolukchari गोरखा समाज मोरेगी दुर्गा प्रसाद अमदी किशन थापा मथंगदा तमिल संगम की वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कमलकांत खाजा मथंग मथंग लेंशन बिरकनबा नोलुकचरी मैतई पांगल एसटी डिमांड कमिटी मथंगदा मणिपुर स्टूडेंट्स फेडरेशन की सेक्रेटरी सुंदर मथंगदा यूनाइटेड मणिपुर मुस्लिम वुमेन डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की प्रेसिडेंट अनवरी नूरजहान कबुई वुमेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की प्रेसिडेंट पुरुना फौमई कबुई मदर्स एसोसिएशन की सेक्रेटरी जनरल सेक्रेटरी रंजिता कोलमई कमिटी ऑन प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ मैतई victims More and Samananda Mathang Mathang Lenkat Pirakna Banolukchari
Islam makat sa atong tilaw kiyo. Ito dong dalam Tokyo. Ese alme. Ano?
JCLPS की कन्वीनर ओजातीय शरचंद्रा को कन्वीनर खुरुद्दीन शाह मोइजिंग मयूम अमदी एक्स कन्वीनर ओजा खोमराम रतन मथंग मथंग लेंखत पिरकनबा नलुकचरी ngasi yamna mamal yamlaba numit asida oja singi mafam dai kuina ngamjaba leng amakhaktang khudol tamjaduna ikai khumnaba uchabani masi lanadana loshin bigani haiduna ningjai aduna amuktang gahana ningsingjari convener JCILPS ojati Sarachandra co convener Khairuddin Saha Moijing Mayum aduga ex convener oja Khomram Ratan mathang mathang lengshin biraknaba nolukchari Mathangda Meitei Council Morigi any representative amakaktang state sa lengket piraknaba nolukchari Mahiroi Lup Taruki member sing Thomi sing mathang mathang lengshin biraknaba nolukchari Emsu So KSA MSF Desam Ems Mahiroi Taruki akoi representative sing Thomi sing Mayamarakta Lebiragadi Kara Kongla Yang na Lengshin Biraknabagi Damakta Nolukchari Masigi Mathangda Meitei Society Churchanpur General Secretary Oja Ramesh Lengshin Biraknaba Nolukchari Meitei Society Churachandpur की General Secretary Oja Ramesh Amuktanga Hananing Singjari Mahiroi Lup Taruki Representative Singh Thomi Singh Lenkat Piraknaba Nolukchage Emsu Suk KSA MSF Desam एम्स हारिबा लुपसिंग असिगी थौमीसिंग स्टेज खरा खोंगला यांगना लिंगशिन बिरकनाबगिदमक्ता नोलुकचरी इकाई खुमनजरीबा ngasi thoram asigi
tangkol katam naugi
ikai khunajari ngasi thoram asigi chief guest pu thagachari akoi hojik thoram masida thoram mafam asida leibita basing marakta amoi ikai khumna bochebagi tanjadu lausegi haina pumnamagi mafamda thamjari TKS ki representative amakhaktang stage da lengkhat piraktuna ikai khumna bauchabagi tanja pibinabagi damakta nalukchari amuktanga naningsingjari TKS ki thongmi amakhaktang stage da lengkhat piraktuna ikai khumna ba uchabagi tanja pibinaba nalukchari student loop taruki thomi sing lengshin birakna bai damakta nolukchari amuktang gane kai khumna jari bangasi gi thoram asigi athoiba mithunglen honorable chief minister gi mafamda lenga mamam tang kudol tambiduni kai khumna bot bina bagi damakta nolukchari थागचरी इकाई खुमनजरी बसबुसु थागचब फोंदोकचरी मसिगी मखा चथजरक पोइना मणिपुर स्टार्टअप स्कीम 2.0 की मखादा IDP सिंबु थबक पिननबा CMESS स्पेशल पैकेज टू स्टार्टअप्स एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की
अरे बिजली TKS और तंगकुल कतम ना हुआ है जो होता अच्छा हमको यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो भी तंगकुल कतम ना हुए अगला देशाम यूज़ हमको के Ada CSO singkaran lagi
and we know we will do the felicitation. Sure. Program each में
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ CSO organization sing aduga student organization singi felicitate tawba ikai khumnaba wachaba ghaidu thoramgi marak thacharaga maduma tawjagi haibaduma thamjaraga aikoina hana schedule tawjaba thoramasi makha chathajanabagi damakta mathangda thamjariba si Manipur startup scheme 2.0 gi makhada IDP singbu thabak pinanaba CMESS special package to startups entrepreneurs ki beneficiary sing makoiga interactive session amasu leizari aduga madugi mangoinana beneficiary IDP sing da akoi employment generate tawnabagi damakta Manipur da leiraba successful startup sing taret khanga charaga makoida training pihanba skilling tohanba amadi employment provide tawhanbagi thabak thoramasi hojik yam kanna chathari Madugi manungdagi amakaktan khangacharaga ngasigi thoramasida experience sharing haibatare mahakna thengnarakpa aduga kari kari thabak thorangsing paikhatkadagi haibadu mayamgi mafamda madi lengshin biri bekai khumna jariba mithunglen singi mafamda thambiranaba nolukchari Dr. Moirangthem Dayananda Meitei Managing Director Madeline Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited.
Thagachari, Ngasigi, with 5 years of implementation of ILP system in Manipur, amadi interactive session with beneficiary, CMESS special package to startups, entrepreneurs for employment of IDPs under the Manipur startup scheme gi. Function sigi, may I thank the links in Biriba, Ikai Khomna Badamatik Charaba, Honorable Chief Minister, Sri N. Biren Singh, Lunena, Lingsin Biriba, Minister, Honorable Minister Singh, MLA Singh, Lunena Civil Society Organization Singhi, Taupu Biriba Singh, Imalupki, Mui Singh Lunena, Lingsin Biriba Student Organization Singhi, Mui Kudingmak, Lunena, internally displaced the Labiriba, which is now Kudingmak Pusu, Hanumak the Rikokno Kurumzeri. Aibungasigi, Toramsida, Kudong Chaba Pibiraga. Experience shared to Minabagi, Kudong Chow Pibugi the Maktashu, Hanan Tagachari, so he gave a land give a kaya Yarogasu, Kangzarabanina can be a gang Pinaba, Mahanasunolopsari. Hui Hozik, Manipur, Gominas in Biraganda, internally displaced person sing de, Hena Soba singing, Kanat Biraganda, Makoigi, Sinbiraliba, Tongan ba activity singing Marakta, employment generate Tonabagi the Makta, Sinbiraliba Torung, Haiba program Sigi the Maktashu, Manipur Lejariba startup, Adu entrepreneur Singi, Mahut Sinjaraga, Hainia Litana, Labiriba government Sibusu, Tagapunukchari. Hui Hosic Ladiba Matam say, Irangsana Mara Morakanda, Hui Economida, Karina Shokshinba, Adugas organization Singisu, Labiriba financially, Aduga market size ki, Luna Tungan but challenges, Labor Matam, Ubasi Pawada, Ahui, Gomina Sinbiriba, Aduga. Tungan ba leibiriba khoi displaced person singi kariguma khadang orisu hoi thabak tawjagena chongthok piraiba hoi entrepreneur sing mingoina panjarabada hoi entrepreneur sing maming khadang hait panjarake Maira Foods, Poinu Enterprises, Sion House, Ahenba Food Products Private Limited, EM Enterprises, Mobile Spices, Lunena, I represent the organization Medellin, Hariba organization Sing Sina. Challenges may am Malayagasu, quite Dawaya Dava Todang Nina Kalaga, Gomena Lokot Piriba, Todang Chida Kukisu Saruka Yajabagi, Dong Chow Pibi Dam to Tagachari, Aduga. Yamna Luraba Tanjasida, a quite Todabaya de challenges may am Leragasu, Mating Pangani and Topiriba, organization Singi, Tobu Sing Busu, Hiding Island and Tagachari, the Tonadugi the Maktasu, Mayam Dagi, a whole Kubama Taganizage. Thank you. Hek Hobadagi Sige program Sissin Nabi Damakta, Honorable Chief Minister, Nayam Natawayana, Honabirakanda, Planning Department Aquida, Pausi Yobirakani. Planning Department ki staff sing, Mingwina Pandarabada, Madam, Director Kulkarani, Amasung Mahaki staff sing na. Hek Hobadagi Loyo Fauba Koibu, Garam Grama Jagada, Haribamu Sing Silege, selection process Taki Horakanda, Akoibu Guide to Wiraki, Hojiksu Guide to Wiri. The Luna Tawuba program Sigi, Lakaduri Batorok Torum Sing the Su, Hena Mateng Pangbi. Lunena Quigi Labiriba Banker Sing, Makoina Su, Pujika Hariba program Sigi Damakta, Daka Liba, Quigi Longi processing, Hosik Aquayam Luna Lucian Bire, Aduga Hosik Quay Ladiba, Panjaki organization Sing Duna Quay training Piba, Hobusuyaure, Aduga Lakaduri when with current Isida Quay, Tabak Toba Hominarakanda, Makogi Sen Midlonda, Kajiktan or Su, Chokotpa, the Kajiktan or Su support people Gamagani Havagi Tazabadu, Tamzari. I represent Jariba, Medellin organization Sigo in a Su. Howzik Labiriba Queen Pigadoriba Mu Yankay Aquita Pigadori. Hariba Mu Yankay say Medellin Ambulance Service, Home Nursing Care Amadu Amasung. A quick Legeriba, Medellin Eye Care Service Key, Tongan Tonganba, Optical Chain Legeriba Sing Chadako employed Tona Bakui Sem Sajare, training people so Nasimak Akoi, Nasidagi Aquina, Plant Tozera Money Training Jahona Vidana, Dungasi Colite over the Aquay, Makata processing the Quichatana Lucinjare. Lakchaning Ebedi Howziki Matam Sida, Hana Lerami Bakwe organization Sing Sida, challenges Mayama later Venate, Tongan Bamakalgi, Aquay Ladyba, Hana Loruba Lon Sing Bagi, GST Tina Bagi, Staff Sing Tolopina Bagi. Hariba Mayam Sing Matakta, Aquay Todabaya de Nakalakanda Chongtolaga, Aquay Tozavani, Masida, Mayam Nasazok Pibinava, Mayam Namating Pangbinava, Labiriba organization, Panjakiba organization Sing Service Samsung Production Si. Mayana Sinabiraga Mating Pangbiu. A quick Katana Toaga, Masia Queen Gamgadabaneti, Gomena Sinbiriba Singshida, Mayamgi, Mating Amna Chowna Sangi Habadumatang Tamjaramge. Why crazy Hijeraga, a quay Mayam Mating Pangbiu, organization Sing Nasu supports Tobiu, a queen Nasuanga Mating Pangzage, Dugamayami Mating Yaudagadi, Masi Mai Papangamoy Habawazi Tamjaraga, Matang Solution the Gate, Punam Gutagachari. Thank you.
Thagachari, Dr. Moirangthim Dayanand Meitei, Managing Director, Medellin Healthcare, Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited. Isana Haktengnana Hariba Tabak Thoramashida, Yaubiraga, Lebaki the Makta, Miyamgi the Makta, Panaba, Tauriba, Mioya Moina, Nasi Thoramasida, Isana Tingnabirak Pakayama, share Tobiram Bahining Alitana, Tagachaba, Fongdokcheri, Adukai Kunajariba, Dr. Nasu, Tambiramba, Tonganba, Startup, Tarit Kangacharaga, Hariba, IDP Singasida, Training Piba, Mokoibu, Skilling Toba, Asida Atopa, Startup, Entrepreneur, Successful Entrepreneur Singdi, Hanjabam, Shubra Devi, Myra Foods, Kangjam Romola Devi, MS Mayon House, Mathangda Nomaikapam Renubala Leima, MS Poinu Enterprises, EM Enterprises ki Elangbam Munindro Singh, MS Ahenba Products ki Arambam Tilotama Devi, Mathangda Mobile Spices ki Kangambam Fulen Meitei, Aduka Loan Pibiriba Bank Singna, PNB, MG Avenue, BOB Rims Branch, MSCB Porumpat Imphal East, SBI MG Avenue, CBI Pauna Bazar Imphal Branch, BOB Urembam Branch, Pumnamaki Apunbagi Support Pumnamaki Honajaba Sibo Sinjalangjer Bigimo Sinjaraga Amuktangana Tagachaba Fongdokcheri. Mathangi Thoram Makacha Tadringaigi, Mangoina Kai Kunajariba, CSO Singi, Lingbirakliba, Oja Jitrendra, Ningomba Madioja, Kumram Ratan, Amutang States, the Linket Piratuna, Ikai Kumnaba, Uchabagitanja, Pibinaba, Nolukcheri, Oja Jitendra, Ningomba Madioja, Kumram Ratan, Lingshin Biraknaba, Nolukcheri. Mathang asina aihakna mamangdasu thamjakiba interaction with startups and IDPs ki madugi tangkak tomu laukachari aduna lengshin biriba IDP singi maraktagi Honorable Chief Minister Susi Ekwigi Rakta Leibire aduna karigumba wafam thambiningba yauragadi amungtang khut thangat piraknaba norukchari.
그놈도 시게 이지땡은 우라탄네.
अहमदा आईगी मिंग हाइजगे आई एलिजाबेथ छापम आईगी लाइफम नाव फगक चाय खाई टोरबुंग दगिने हौजिकना खोया थोंग तकदो रिलीफ कैम्प तलाइजबने ngasi akhoi CM sarna akhoi damakta IDP singi damakta scheme ama tawbi base yam thakachari sarbo ahamba maktada aduga akhoi aina tawjagadoriba kan entrepreneurs ina Medilem da tawjakadabane aduga akhoi finance tawbibana Bank of Baroda Rims branch na tawbibane. Thank you, sir.
Han maktada ai ming han haijage ai akampa likem da laijaba more dagi lanjen narak akampa ta laijabani ai koi hujik tawjagadori ba thabak asi kaunagi product tawjagadabani athoiba product makhada ai koina sujagadaba CBI bank na loan pibiraga pangthok jagadori ba ai koigi kaunagi sabagi program asida Sarna soba mateng pangbibagi damakta CM Sarbu hanna thagasari lingbirakliba Honorable Chief Minister Singhu thagasari tasengna harabada aikhoidi yam khangna heina tawjagadaba nate lakadoriba entrepreneur singna aikhoida phajana takpirama ba tambirama ba matungda aikhoina haijahoraba matungda aikhoisu isagi oina amatang hayeng matam chaba matamda hangdokpa ngamjaba haibadu oijage haiduna miyamdagi thongni jare si hare losensa
Sir aigi ming ngasepam Bamapati aigi lephang Kwaltabi maning lekai ai hauji sombung temporary center home da lejabani Poinu intravisor na sinbi duna nupi singi oiba phisalon sa pangan bibai damakta thagatsari adubu poinu intravisor na sinbi riba asida aikhoigi kon thampham asi khara pikpa maram oibana yum singda thamba yadabadagi hauji aikhoigi apunba thambam ma semjari ba asida su sarakagi makaidagi mateng pangbiu aikhoi tasengna aikhoina sajariba phisalon sagi thabak sing asiju sarkagi makaidagi yonba khotpada market tawbada su sarkarna mateng pangbiu masi haraga loisanjar thank you
Remoji kitu nangi dokari jaga eba odi watse sagada bdo
phi sabagi haibane sir
ado nangi
kano sombung temporary center home video maning denes
adugi mamangda sabam leibir mafam
laiye sir akoina lairiba mafam jidaida lam akoigi lampak oina tawba mafam ani khak laiye sir sidaida akoina kon nimfu gumba thamba yabagi sabam di laiye sir
soi sar
hoi sir yam thagasari sir kaini ale tan thagasari
Aigi lam hana haizege ai isa ai dani naurem dani ai torbong bangla dagini ai haje ulau lili kemda laijabani ado ai haje sarwai sarbu lulukjari ado sarwaina haje kendan sabagini haidana aigi kenoje item je kendan sabagini ado sarwaina akoi gi damakta asi hona birakose haninga leitana thagasari haina aina khorumjari
Good morning, sir. I give me Kayam Pipam Toy Kote, a such Sampur Dagini, Hosina, ꯎꯂꯧꯂꯤꯂꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯞ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯂꯦꯟꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ IDPꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯃꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯗ ꯉꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯥꯔ
ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪꯒ Honorable Chief Minister amadi Ministerꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ 5 years of ILP system in Manipur and Manipur startup ki functionsiga mari lenana ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ikai khunaba matik charaba chief guest Honorable CM sir amadi minister sing khwai khunaba ikai khunaba chari tasengna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ medical tekna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯀꯥꯝꯄꯥ relikem da laaga मियोई तराखक थबक पिबीबगे सिमक्ता अखोइगे मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट मणिपुर अमदि मेडिलेन टेकपो हाइनगा लितना थागचरी लोइना लोइना ngasiगी tinbiro mayam अखोइगी सीएम सा जावजरे ऑनर मिनिस्टर mayam जावजरे IDPS की मोचिंग जरगा सादा कनमतंग नोलंगना निंगसिंग जगे मदुदी IDPS स्टूडेंट कनोगी छात्र सिंग कनोदा प्राइवेट स्कूल न थंबसिंग से याम वाना रे यारगदी साना सी मतंग खितंग खन्ना बीरगा अखोई ममांग मतेंग पांगबियो हैना सारी महमदा नोलुगना हाइजरी सर
हुजिकी प्राइवेट स्कूल दा तंबसिंगो यारिंगे दे अखोई गवर्नमेंट स्कूल दा फ्री दा तंबा हैबने दुगु प्राइवेट स्कूल दा तंबा हाना मिंजन ग्रबा कांगु लेग्रबा होंगथोकपा नुंगाइबा कांगु दुती अखोइना मोइगी थाममदा नोमदा पचामगी चांगदा थामदा लिसिंग अहुमगी चांगदा पीनी अदना अखोइ पीबा लेखिबने अदुदा सिथन आंदो होरगदि लिस्ट तोंग मो अखोइगी DC कंसर्न जोबिनो बने DC ना उतंग लिस्ट लोकसल हलगे अदुगा अदु अखोइ मतेंग पांगना बतौ
थैंक यू सर थागचरी सर
थागचरी इकाई खुनाजरीबा Honorable Chief Minister gi ayaba lawjaraga interactive session asi matang asida tension jari aduga mathangi thoram chathajing gi mangoinana amuktang hana oja Jitendra Ningomba madi oja Khomram Ratan former JC ILPS ki amna changba thomi sing oja amuktang stage lengkhat pirak dunai kai khumna bochabagi tanjama pibina bagi damakta nolukchari mathangda oja asang kashar su amuktang stage lengkhat pirak naba nolukchari थागचरी मथंगी सिना Dr. Mayengbam Veto Singh joined Secretary Home Government of Manipur na implementation of ILP system in Manipur amadi Foreigners Act hariba topic asida hariba akogi act asida amadi ILP system asigi implementation sigi matang da report mayamgi mafam da thambira naba nolukchari okay Dabaskar microphone do mamang damuktang pupiraknaba nolukchari
ahanbamaktada koigi ngasigi manga suba ILP ki function sida lengbiriba chief minister amadi loinana MLA manchi singwa hamda ikoknon jabaga loinana aina ILP ki je sigi maikaidagi amadi aigi lekaida lagiba isu Robin Hood gi manga suba sahi siga loinana ningchang pirakpasi asuki matik nungaijai idai bak iramdam sigi ILP phangba gi su loinana loinana masigi mata yam nungaijai adubu akoina penjadaba ama khaktang di san lingme inda ina ningchang janingba ngasigi thawramjiga loinana akoi ILP gi da laigidraba isu Robin Hood ki mafam si hauji awasing gi sidaida sahi khutingi pangthoi base akoi ILP gi da saruk yabi gi basing mayam puna mo pangthok seri adubu mafam se akoi gi khitang sarna yengjan haningba koina sahi manga sur adu gate su aduga magi mafam sidaida khara nana mage isu sigi murti ji thammaga sahi kudingi akoi gi mayam na lai kapa khopa sidaida kitang mawong tana sembi na bai na sarda ningsing jabani adu hoji akoi huji su yam songa ga jangan dawna laiba adu sima song tang nalhan biraga akoi gi Manipur iramdam sigi wena mayek sengna ama thamjainingba sigi mutta sarna tang ai haijaning dan tawjabani thank you
Thagachari Makha Chathajarakpasina Implementation of ILP System in Manipur and Foreigners Act Asida Report Dr. Maying Bamvetu Singh Joint Secretary Home na Thambiranaba Norukchari.
Good morning everyone. Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Ministers, Honorable MLAs, Honorable Chairpersons, CSR, respected senior officers, all distinguished invitees, representatives from CSOs and all other invitees present in the function. Ngasigi aina thamjagadoriba presentation je koi Manipur gi yamna maruoiba issue ama oiriba koi gi demographic profile da unbalanced growth ama lakpase sigi matangda koi Manipur sarkar na ade Manipur gi praja mayamna yam chauna challenging oiba issue ani gi matangdani. First I will come to the implementation of ILP in the state. Next slide please. Koi 1950 da abolish tawraba koi gi kenose inner line permit system makti koram de matam da entry and exit regulation nama koi lejarami. That was abolished in 1950 and again post independent kenoda koi India da hanba state ta koi gi independence phangwa matung da extend tawrka koi Manipur da oina ngasigi numisi da Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji na koi parliament da lauthokiba numitu ngasi commemorate tawrka we are celebrating 5th year of implementation of ILP in the state. Next slide please. The present fixed base year for implementation of ILP in the state is 31st December 1961. A little bit elaboration on this is that ILP is applicable only to those who are not permanent residents or the indigenous or the original population of the state. Here, ILP will not be applicable to those who himself or herself or their forefathers are continuously and permanently residing in the state not later than 31st December 1961 and not merely coming on that day. Have the 1961 ki 31st December se Sidaida Manipur kun daraga yum daraga leiba numitu da lakpa nataba adumba koi gi hominor pa koi yellow musing koi mahum jigi permanent residence to the applicable or and ILP is not applicable to foreigners, it is applicable only to Indian citizens. The organizational structure that we have Honorable CM at the top, and next is the Home Department headed by Administrative Secretary Home. This is more particularly dealing with planning and implementation and moreover more towards approval authority. Next is we have ILP cell at the Home Department and one state level ILP monitoring cell headed by one DIG level officer. And we have issuing authorities, permit issuing authorities Deputy Commissioners, Deputy Labour Commissioner, DRCs of Manipur Bhavans, and OCs of gates of ILP. And at the district level, we have district monitoring cell headed by additional SP level officer under supervision of SP of the district concerned. And also recently we have constituted district task force headed by one additional SP level officer. And moreover, we have ILP gates. Altogether, we are having 5 functional ILP gates in the state. Next, please. Total ILP issued till date is 9,73,277, out of which temporary ILP is 8.03 lakh, regular ILP is 65,000, labor ILP is 1.04 lakh, and special is 137. Next slide, please. And total revenue generation till that is 13.03 crore. And before February 2020, there was no online payment system, and our ILP portal was not there. Till then, we have case collection. In the initial 2 months, so many ILPs were issued for reason of fresh registration. That's why the revenue was 2.36 crore. And then, unfortunately, we had first, second, and third phase of COVID, because of which the entry-exit was almost coming to standstill, and the revenue was dropped to 16,50,000. And then it is increasing, and we got a peak in the year 2022. Thereafter, because of the current crisis, it dips down, but it is improving. Next slide, please. So, some of the initiatives taken up by the state government is that online e-ILP portal is there, through which the ILP seekers can register themselves, make payment through online payment modes, and get the ILP through their respective system. And e-payment facility has been integrated with the portal, and we have facial recognition system. Under this, we have camera bazaar area, the airport area, the defaulters in Masam capture defaulter in a higher kind of checking the line, live. And then recently, state level ILP monitoring group, Honorable CM Sargi Makada, and one committee has been constituted under the chairmanship of Commissioner Home to review the overall ILP implementation in the state. And in the last few years, ILP implementation guidelines clear way de interpretation issues like nodal officer designate, and then to aid and assist in the functioning of the Home Department in implementation of ILP, Manipur State Population Commission has been constituted. Next slide, please. Aduga pipeline da some of the initiatives are the mobile application, the kiosks at the ILP gates, airport, DC office will be in place very soon. Aduga checkpoints in the barcode readers in aduga QR code readers in pin and under process laser. Aduga house to house survey verification. As a part of this celebration, we are planning. Another one is strengthening of ILP gates. District monitoring cell and ILP issuing authorities will be taken up, and procurement of mobile phones is on the process. So, as a part of this celebration of 5 years of implementation of ILP, we will be celebrating the parade throughout from 9 December 2024 till 1st January 2025. So, there are different range of activities of district level under the supervision of district superintendent of police and deputy commissioners. Mass verification drive plan and the guidelines clarity functionaries in the understanding misunderstanding clear ground different sort of TV programs orientation programs and training programs will be conducted. Aduga kenoda sigi koi illegal migrant ki matang lak matang dai metel lon da mayam da khangna no keno khok da haijage koi issue in amaru issue je ILP da kai no hai kan da ILP lobu lak pi basing je sisina ai ji isa je karamba ILP da apply tawgadage karamba ILP je applicable oige je khangdaba adun ai basic 3 point ahum khatang hapsaramge mamang da haget piro type of ILP da koi we have 4 type of ILPs as on that. Number 1 is temporary ILP. Temporary ILP is this is meant for those who will visit Manipur for a short duration, that is for 1 day, 2 day, up to 1 month. 30 days lebe ava permit makhalamani sise khoi on arrival da lowe ava facility piba adum makhali ILP makhalamani, but it is non extendable and non renewable. Aduna temporary ILP lowe lakwa musing je lower matung da Manipur exit tawgadam neba before that permit expires. Aduga fees only 100 rupees katane extendably oide. Second one is frequently visit tawgadaba Manipur da laga legedaba mi da koina 3 months at permit amgu piwa with validity of 3 months on payment of rupees 100 in the first instance. Aduga mathang da 300 rupees piwa sigi permit su keno oide renewable oide extendable oide aduna sine karam kana pige da a permanent resident natragana koi indigenous people amna mas duly sponsor tawgadam ne adagi third type sina labor permit hai. This is meant only for labor construction workers, construction laborers. Atopa category de pidaba sidana koi yum saba construction gi lakpa matam da individual natraga private firm natraga agency natraga sarkar gi authority duna sponsor tawiro matung da pibani. DCs and the deputy labor commissioner are the issuing authorities. Sisina sahi ama wo pibi ayaba adu bu sida sahi ama pibi ay sahi mo leibagi permission pibi nate the period of engagement or the 1 year whichever is earlier havani aduna anybody found without valid labor ILP, then sponsor will be held responsible. Adugi case the sponsor da khoi thiru kan sponsor gi issue kharju laigre he sort out on khoi kan hona jari. And third one is special ILP. Special ILP 3 years ki kano pija bane sida like categories are using the koi Manipur da laga employment generate tawba business house link pa adagi acho establishment link pa Manipur da income generate tawba yawa adagi Manipur gi say the Kanawaya project live Mayam Singja. She Marie Linda musing the special consideration the Sarkarna Piba Adumba ILP Makalamni. This is extendable. First 3 years PBA, second 3 years PBA, third 3 years PBA, 9 years PBA. First instance 5,000 rupees, second instance on what 10,000 rupees mainly. Aduga sigi isuji da ngasi kudong chawam logjar kan da in tamjaning buja. Koigi Manipur da leibiba silinau koigi yellow musing original inhabitants in the hygienic music kaino haikanda isa na isagi yumda thambigadoriba isana porakadoriba koigi mapangi India gi citizen oibiba atopa state lakpa singsida lakpa matamda isa gi kana tare wakalda with some sincerity amga loinana kaidobi phajana sakta thupiraga kana tobibum changeba maramdi many times sponsors a fake when thokpa fake documents hapsalaga sponsor ne hairaga traceable oidaba sumi su yam thwe adana responsible policing by the community is also another aspect to check and in the with regards to verification and checking of ILP. Another one is responsible behaviors of sponsors. Kaigino haikanda ILP seekers inje when default hamu tamda sagi sponsors is the responsibility fixed tawjagado ne hojiki oina di labor permit khakile masi will be extended tawnana ba khoi atop permit je extend tawnana khoi honajari adagi sponsors inje masa khoi permit issuing authority ki mamang da la kanda kari haitare verify tawro matung da ILPGP ne hona na wi dang ta khoi virtually natraga physical experience ki mandatory oiba provision am hapsan no honajari aduna praja khwai leibiri khwai puno magna isai sagi sponsor tawgudu pose ekta khangnei hairaga pangtok tawbi nataba properly sponsor moy gi haitardi ILP security gi identity phasana khangmu mathau tai magi citizenship status khangmu mathau tai ba Indian citizen nataba illegal migrants in the ne suspect of me in the Pishalum Bagi issue to recently 29 of them have been deported. Aduna Mayam Punomoki Kaitare collective effort almost Changiva. Say that CSO zingi, the public leaders zingi, Laikai Likai the Laiva, Yellow Misingi, so what data lay have say Tamsage. Matang Tarakoda, so we sumo illegal migrants in Matanga, Mamang the Sumayam Hainare, there has been unprecedented increase in the influx of illegal migrants across this IMB border, maybe linked with the political unrest situation in Myanmar and better living livelihood opportunities and cultural connect with the Indian side. The verification drive was started in 5 districts since 22nd February 2023. Aduga si matang that one cabinet subcommittee was formed under the chairmanship of Sri Letpa Hokip, Honorable Minister, with other 2 Honorable Ministers as member. Next, please. Aduga Commissioner Sir Sailesh Kumar Sorasiana, Chair to Executive Committee Mulay, Masina Planning Policy Implementation on the ground, Yang General Committee Mulay. And next is the verification are carried out by teams headed by additional SP level officers. Aduga MHA da ye koi keno da Manipur government amadi Mizoram government da mamangi September 2023 pau da koi migrants by illegal migrants biometric capture to hai gi instruction laigre, but because of the recent unrest Manipur da koi madu makha phajana sathabangam dabdagi koi chatti chathari du phajana progress sapangam dabdagi Handaki December 2024 over extend to be on MHA the Hive Santoga lady. This verification drive, along with Hana already state government local illegal migrant verified Toba, the Kanotobugi activities go Punjal Lagadum state government locally. And then we have 2 detention centers, one at Sajiwa Jail Complex, another one at the Manipur Central Jail Imphal Complex for keeping those illegal foreigners. Next, please. And then so far, 11,847 illegal migrants have been detected in the last 5 years, out of which 3,779 have been pushed back to Myanmar side, and 7,723 are in temporary shelters, and 345 are arrested and detained in the detention centers in the jail as described above. Out of this 345 arrested, 76 have been deported, and so far 28 more are and will be deported by January 2025. The biometric capture has been completed for 8,826 Myanmar nationals. And at the district level, district police and civil nodal officers have been appointed for the 5 districts, that is Ukhrul, Kamjong, Tengnopal, Chandel and Chuchanpur, to identify and monitor presence of illegal migrants in the district. Aduga sigi illegal migrants in separate location that thamaga sarkarna humanitarian support piraga, ration, medical care piraga, koi local population ke mixed tawdana thamjari hujipogi oinadi. Recently, one house committee has also been set up by the Manipur Legislative Assembly to examine and inquire into the issue of illegal migrants entering Manipur. Thank you, everyone.
Thagachari, Ikai Kumnajariba, Dr. Mayengbam Veto Singh, Joint Secretary, Home, Implementation of ILP System in Manipur and Foreigners Act ki matangda yamna marik chumba report ama mayam gi mafam da thambira mahininga leitana thagachaba phongdokchari. Ikai Kumnajariba, Joint Secretary na su yamna marik chumna thambirame adubo haukraba matamadu mayam punna amuktang ningsingminabo oina short video amakak mayam da kudol tamjari aduna mayam gi pukning screen da chingsinjari.
ꯆꯤꯡꯍꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯠ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯛꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯖꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ BJP government bodiesꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ BJP government ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯍꯥꯖꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯄꯥꯋꯔꯐꯨꯜ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ILP ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯠ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯗꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ.
In the heart of Northeast India lies Manipur, a land of rich culture, heritage, and natural beauty. Safeguarding its unique identity has always been a priority, and under the BJP-led government, a long-awaited demand has become a reality.
आज बताना चाहता हूँ हमारे बीरेन सिंह कुछ बोलते नहीं मगर बीरेन सिंह ने पार्टी में बहुत बड़ी डिमांड मोदी जी के सामने रखी थी इनर लाइन परमिट के बगैर मणिपुर एक नहीं और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने इनर लाइन परमिट देकर मणिपुर को मजबूत करने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी
मणिपुर राज्यों की भावना को ध्यान में रखकर मणिपुर को हम इनर लाइन परमिट की सिस्टम के अंदर ला रहे हैं. मणिपुर की घाटी की बहुत बड़ी समस्या का समाधान. मणिपुर की घाटी के सारे लोग बहुत समय इसकी मांग कर और मैं आज मणिपुर के लोगों के और देश के प्रधानमंत्री का कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ. इन्होंने मणिपुर की सारों पुरानी मांग को आज समाप्त.
On December 11, 2019, a historic milestone was achieved. President Ramnath Kovind signed the order extending the inner line permit regime to Manipur as announced by Union Home Minister Sri Amit Sahaji in the Lok Sabha. The implementation of ILP fulfilled a decades-long aspiration, marking a historic step towards protecting the indigenous people of Manipur and preserving their culture, resources and identity. BJP-led government has gone further by leveraging technology to enhance the implementation of ILP. On September 2021, the eILP platform was launched, revolutionizing how permits are monitored and managed.
Very happy to welcome all of you to the launch of online ILP portal.
Facial recognition system introduced in May 2023 verifies ILP holders' identities at critical points such as airport and interstate border checkpoints. Under the BJP-led government, the inner line permit system in Manipur is not just about protection, it is about empowering the people of Manipur for a brighter and secure future.
मणिपुर राज्यों की भावना को ध्यान में रखकर मणिपुर को हम इनर लाइन परमिट की सिस्टम के अंदर ला रहे हैं. मणिपुर की घाटी की बहुत बड़ी समस्या का आज समाधान.
Amuktang hana Paliba Sarkar Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Union Home Minister, Lunina, Equigi, Honorable Chief Minister, Mayamisina, Honabiduna, Equibu, Napi Sina Bagida Magda, Kana, Honabikiba, Asina Quina, Madumu, Harapayam, Amuk, Madu Kunchin Jabataram, Mukchabasida, Pumnamagna, Amuktangahana, Nintubi Boina, Ahukama, the Kubika Bika. Tagachari, Mathangesina, Inner Line Permit Facilitation Center, Ziribam District, Manipur, Kanjuriba, Chief Minister, inaugurated the Witamata, Norukchari. Virtual Key Kuthanda, inaugurated the Wigani. Government of Manipur inauguration of Inner Line Facilitation Center, Ziribam District by Shri Indrajit Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, in the august presence of Honorable Ministers and MLAs on the 9th of December 2024, Monday, at the auspicious occasion of launching program for the celebration of 5 years of implementation of ILP in Manipur, constructed by DRDA Ziribam. Honorable Chief Minister, virtual Kuthanda, Ziribam Facilitation Center asi inaugurate tawbikraba matung asidi thoram asi makha chathajara poina Honorable Chief Minister na asigi thoram asigi athoiba mithunglen ki waro thambiranaba norukche.
I may have no problem, no luxury. I met them sang luxury. I'm say 9:30, 10 dagi. Punbi Benina. Sisiam Namapung Paba Amaway, ma'am. Low in a language. Amaruina ZCLP Inner Line Permission and Hannah of the struggle kayama Torokibi civil society gi aduga leaders sing activists sing aduga university Manipur University gi professors sing kai oja Joy Kumar Sulai oja Pironjan hoy oja Singlen hoy ma'am atai aduga official government officials sing gi amna Hoy yauna to biki ba mayama masu lakbiri adu galone na asi dais da BJP led NDA government ki apun ba harama panda leina ki ba kono ki ba yawe do ngsi khoi dais election bi ba mayam ai one by one chalo rega honorable minister Singh, honorable chairman Singh, honorable MLA Singh, aduga Chief Secretary mang election biriba journalist ki agi colleagues all colleagues mayam sulai Pradip hoy aduga party ki president Bharatiya Janata Party ki sada aduga the official punamak the police ki makok thongbu sing home department ki aduga te PCCF forest ki karigila piri mayam aduga amuk amna nungai bana rigilai bak thirabi toiba thokdok sina mar moir kanda relief camp da leiribi cha sing inauk singi koi government na support तौरगा माई पाब startup की unit खरा खनकत लकांदा हाइरिबा startup की unit सिंगदुना अदुगुंबा लाइबक थीरबी इसा सिंग इचन सिंग इनाउ सिंग खुई केनोदा रिलीफ कैम्प दा लेबा सिंगदु थबक पिहन बने मदुगी मी ngasiगी सिदैदा मी चहुम मुक्की displace होने लेरिबा रिलीफ कैम्प दा लेरिबा मी चहुम मुक्की थबक पिबगी स्कीम अमसु ngasiगी ngasai wangang bi khiba Maryland gi khogi means startup ta state government na sponsor torga support torga mai pa ba start amna moibu amona thabak pibagi pot ninga sigi sidai koina kangan sais ada nokoi mayam busu respect of jari kai kumna buchari aduga media gi maruma pang aduga media gi khuthang la tabi riba sino mayam punama amuk hanai noluk chari yam nungai taba tanjani mission mama 57 mountain division ki army gi camp pas manung la thabak suba sangi bedagi tholuk tabagi ning launa nungai tana lainaba matam ne aimak Maharashtra gi politically yamna soba mai pakpa si minister gi wasak pagi koi mayam punga dabadu ai adagi excuse ni rakanda ai lamdam sida sumaina mi ema huji mangar ga leidi ngarang nahanda ngang nobi mayam sigi bagi mittagi pi kangna dringai dai kamaina lakadoino ai excuse to biyo nai hairaga ai leaders sing dege excuse to ga satte ngarang nahan donor gi makhada pangthokpa noriski adu so especially City ragai request awi ai hujik leiriba situation sida ina station thadok pai budo yum mai satna leiraga ina mapan na kramaina satkadage adu kadang excuse to biyo nai excuse to ngasigi si di tangai fadana it a part of the struggle koi mayam na tawrakriba ngase khone lei kaliba ngasi ekhoi na mayam lengyan masamam zu huise madugi struggle mayam dugi ningsingba recognition toba sahi manga surakba Bharat Sarkar na ekhoi Manipur da pirakpada khwaidagi statehood gi matungda 1972 gi statehood pirakhiba nung thanaraga mayam irang tho matung na pirakhiba statehood gi matungda khwaidagi jati sigi oina indigenous population sigi oina state sigi oina positive oiba ekhoibu kanjanaba ama pirakpa haragadi machine yan hanbu boigani inner line permission atai di pi gi meam du yone sangraba 398 kilometer border fencing to biram de free movement regime free the sangthok jangin yaba thambirame singnabada ubada kapaga hatpada case laitaba armed forces special power ek thambirame kari afaba thambirame statehood to gi matungda party thagale habirakano politicalize hoge habirakano the facts sing thamgi Isan pa Robin Hood kari gi sigdaba ai ngasai jo haigre dune ai namitu da jo haigi maram saba issue sing maram sana tawu matam sana tawu matam da kari gi praja wahan gadaba kari gi praja da sopan nang gadaba matam sana tawu da bagini ngasi inner line permit tabi namune honorable union home minister ngang khiba mache khoi kawbudung tawe yang wana phangba pone struggle mayam do adugi struggle da yawgi bajing do ngase koina lei kaliba adugi struggle da yawgi bajing do ne koi ngase koina lengyan phi amatu osi ya laga koina bevar dokjariba Karigino inner line permit sukimati important words. Manipur si Manipur ngasi hingi si saba thakpadagi thawdagi thumdagi punamaktagi yangakanda 70-80% di Bharat depend toruga ko hingi ne. Aduguma Bharat Barshi mayam duna sangakpada athing bathamini. Matom da parliament ki thing bathamjaraiba. Shishu Bharat na ningkha tamaba matung da khwaidagi ihan hanba amat ngaiba state. Post independent da state ahum kaktani piramis. Karamba state tribal isili now sing 95% labor. Kadai da Mizoram da Nagaland da Arunachal da Hyderabad state ahum sinatna post independent da su inner line permit Bharat ki jaga mata da standard de demand to badi ame hoji udum tarang bani even Assam Meghalaya Sikkim low demand tawre pide maram di article 19 violate toge Indian citizen amoina India gi praja amoina India gi mafang khuding da chatpa yai leibi yai haibadu violate toge kari gi Manipur da pirei akhoi di tribal ngak to leite akhoi di 52% general community na leiba jaga Mizoram tribal isili now sing 95% ni Nagaland tribal isili song 95% ni Arunachal Pradesh tribal isili now 95%. Only akhoi Manipur se kattane 52% general line inner line permit piris. Karigi the uniqueness and the peculiarity akhoi gi leiba civilization culture tradition akhoi gi physical anatomy leiba akhoi gi mayam se Indian loiraga su masi makoi rear oina lobo adugi protect tok duba yade si mamang da khanbiram ba ke doge habni mamang da khalam mading asai akhoi gi isa Robindra Shiramoy Robindra Shiramoy sok pa mayam kaya no hoji pu soina raga mayam mam neram gani aduni da akhoi na masi ngasi kari gi damuk da masi pangthu ino hargadi achuk sa wa pot amma zati si gi oiba noi akhoi da gi mayam ama noi depend tawroga su noi se noi gi da sangak pada khoi se permission yawroga sangage ko ina sacrifice tawrei ba dung Bharat ki leaders sing do akhoi na thagat pangam dradi akhoi kana thagat se abnoi khoi bo why we shall not appreciate them noi hingjaro ko noi ngak so ko noi se yamna real oiba dugumba community ni tribe ni or peoples ni noi gi dam da protection akhoi na pi ni na pi rei ba sida ju hanjan pangang da ngang pangchai de sai palau da lawe akhoi masin swai da lana ba ju moi de ka tai nei akhoi masin swai da akhoi na ngak pangam da ba ju moi loina tai nei yes tai na bam thok ko leader mani pan ba ki tai na ba yai but yam hanjan na tai na ba su nungai ti akhoi ki dawroge na da hangse koi me amada nang toy do lale na haibe mota what I have done ai contribution am ka nation is the like bra ai contribution am ka society is the like bra ai contribution am ka ai laikai the like bra se ai sana ai ki do rage na ko am ta hang na deba mi na to budu ngata ne ko na criticize tong ri se adu isa jong ga hang se adu ni ngasi ko na hang ba horais ngasi gi Manipur do hujik thangnari ba awaba thanganam da bayai ai ngasai jo haibani ngasi ji kasong kulen da khoi dai ki sangai asoba building ne 2017 dagi to bune do covid ne kari ne manam nei dan loiba ngam do ngasi loiraga sangai ada ina haibani go to hills kari ge hokrino Puji singi gi silinau sing na maitai sai to khrabani kharana tan politically kharana tan matamanda yam pangsai de sai rambani karigi sathina development se imbalance we rame sathina we ram rasa ni mase adudani aina hek ekhoi government se lakpaga go to hills sing de kari wali ge se koi khangmam sange kari tawri ge madu khangaga thabak pai khatlaga madu men khala kan ne bangasi amata oireis sapio Tamenglong Mamangi Tamenglong go Husiki Tamenglong Gamaito Gambio. Kongsang Lambi Katang Sapata Punga Manga Sangambado, who's just within hours. Nasai Kasong Kulenyo with a say, I now Lesio Sile, honorable member. Mana, hi. Kasong Kulendagina Infali, on the Pungipan, the Sangeva, 1 day it took. But now, 1 hour they already. Only Pungamada, Masaya is the honorable. Sigi Laiba was a singy change, my ambio. Diplomat. Senapati Yang Bioji. Senapati infalled again infrastructure. Nasi the Guinness say Mangai Matung the infrastructural development is infalled again, Senapati in the later name. Ukrul. Madu go to hills to Salur Matung the Awapa Mayam, Urakan the neighbor, go to village and Amorokrit. Go to village, why? To deliver. Go to hills the Ohova Mayam, Awapa Mayam, Yangakanda Madugi, Equigi Port Mayam, do Amuk budget, the Hapakanda, center the Tharakanda, Madu Mutorkanda. Go to hills, the Giamuk, go to village Lakanda, village to village Salakanda, government say, government at the doorstep. Madugi implementation do Nebuquina Horocris. Maduta Orokanda Ningasi Singamaritam, Anigi Markta. Cannibalated before the Malakris. Kitan Canabibo. Ko usan mo kitang helo re popi tha ba khot pa to khra thenga rakna yan thalu ba ge bo ji irang thuisin ya usan lu bu phata ba lai ma si adu da thengna gi bani adu su go to hills na ma re koi khangna moy abadu thengna moy pura loir ga lai re hujik ba du ingo hujik ki crisis marak sida karai jaga da popi thari ge noi mayam khang bi rang bani madu gi advantage undue advantage lor kana koi gi society bu Nupi Masamari, Draka Konan Pablo Tangabirmani. Nalang Tabal the Guli Mayam Pablo Tangabirmani. Society se Kanjihabik them to war one drug company. Biren Ginate. Equi India government Ginate. Society Gasi Horebi youths. Aduka Tungi Mirol Yumbi get the Mayam Sibu Kana with them to Togzagibani. Aduna I from the bottom of the heart. I think Asila Honorable Union Home Minister Amisaji. Personally, Mana Ikwe Manipur the Makta Khanba. Honorable PM. Nasahagi Duni. Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji na Yatra Kana Honorable Union Minister Home Minister na Tabuk Tomungam Pote. Cabinet Minister na Tabuk Tomungam Pote. Aduna Masikuma Manipur yamna complex way Manipur ki situation je khanga kanda inner line permit. Piba. Biometric long na bagaya ba. Illegal immigrants in city. Kaino the sing de. Ekoi inner line permit ki makhada lagte mo. Inner line permit only Indian citizen da togoda bani. Ado sir ekoi di ILPDPB re. Ado sir mapalom dagi som dagi. Sanga kriba mayam ama ekoi da leira kanda unnatural growth mayam ama leira kanda ekoi gi hana ri ba leiba dagi yam hen kale ekoi da yam saung na treat leira heba kanda hana home secretary foreign secretary loina kaura kanda Indian foreigner eki makhada every border area da leiba sing se every SP se they are FRO foreigner returning officer. They can detect and they can deport. They can detect a foreigner and they can deport the foreigners. Indian foreign eki makhada. Madugi provision dugi makhada du dinang inner line permission apply to where the mina du di Indian foreigner eki makhada nang sitor kana. You start biometric law eye scan na chingba law kana just detect oro adu deport onu process to wena. Formally, constitutionally. Togzaruba, how keep a pony. Kanamta da koi karik mama kalam tagina pua puto giblate. Aduna, Ujakshu, a koi unity lay with the Carly. We should be united. Sally by Shusikarino, Manga Tariba Shusikarino, Harakana, koi amato in the Chungjan the Bamasangi. Personal interest, some Talina de Border fencing cars have a personal interest. FMR ka se personal interest ro NRC tau se personal interest ro drug popi mayam si na society si mangal e masi thing je personal interest ro personal interest amat talite si daida sidi state ki ba ngasi khoina sahi manga subagi celebrate tawrise anniversary tawriba pangthoi je sumaina matam mamada ngasi na khoye khoina wari baje lakadaba mirona celebrate tawgadaba adugumba thabuk tuning ngasi khoina tawris kalam nabagi aigi thika gi nate birena bisojina thika amata na rubai pesa lok tho me habagi nate besrug lunch irangs lamma moy mingda pata tar me habai nate ba laivak sibu kamaina kangade yes suggestion pibio advice pibio kari kane birena delhi sataba cm na delhi sati du mayum mai chakpagi mi ma mangbagi leiding da kramai chatuino ma nungai na moi ko na khanbi be mota ai khoi gi mai tai mark tagi karem nei ne kaubirat na satri ne wai khu gi kangbu singda da gi da honor ga leiba karem na da gi da honor ga leiba positive oiba wakan khanbu sungam da aduna kramai lebak sakhut kani ai khoi punchen na se please ngasi ai mayam da inner line permit ki Bharat Sarkar ne khoi genum ka tawbi rakhriba tawbi reiba hujik tawriba hujik su tawde habi gano government gi officer ama transfer nang adai da ngasi thare nang hayeng na nang adai da posting period na yaba adugumba arai ba issue mata na te pai di mems security movement bu hairasu battalion change to bu hairasu sahi chamaga kuntrani phulera adugumba infrastructure adugumba settle tawkhra port ama move tor pagaise ma yam phong na sungang bu ya da wari mayam ama Bharat Sarkar na khoi ki dum ka lepa iba firev lawra iba decision tawra iba thabak hoi yam thuna pame so aina haibdo sidi sa gilas se nang si sa se nang tho ai nang ki coffee do ai thakena khuchina ba ya ba issue na te ba si it will take time matam sangani fencing ka ba matam sangani visa implement of matam sangani NRC ki process of matam sangani even inner land permit chana ba sahi manga sore do hujik phau da koi sincerely we are not implementing in the field officers in Marakta, government employees in Marakta, masa intentionally man lalam dabo ormbayai, but nahan taro mido yung. Provision the later port. Only labor yarisi, labor ki pass people yarisi, construction labor katane, construction ki. Ado hujiki to makai degi court loga pyramid no kande bakery ni na pile rembe. Bakery green appear glare miduna Sahid like Salam Biauri. I nayade, loan yade, ek nayade. Aduna, Ekoigi, a Ekoshu officer, government employee, we respect. But Tauri but have more the excel lorry, they know. Aranba, ek to lana, sinner ever. Adun number one, quite the Gimaru with the Akoi. Implement a river is you get to river a koi share. I quite sincere with Bahana Sangi. Ek Panam, the same as your queen of sincere with the Labak and Mangamoiko. I quite state, yam the complex situation in the labor state near a state commanded. I quite state say I'm the complex revenue. Come the young, come the Nabi, Mamang Yango, Awang Yango, Maning Yango, Makai Yango. Kum na yango Manipur nungsibesin lausing. It is my earnest appeal from the bottom of the heart. Yam na complex so even emotion the satkumsi. We need a proper planning, proper strategy, proper preparation. Ako isang maniko. Natana ngaki aduda du tawre wow aduda du tawre au na tawbudu na di lebakan mga moy. aduna mayam da ai khoi reciprocation to ba pi ba khara hai che khoi thagat pa sai je phat ba sing toruk ta bagi aduga toruk pa tik ni so khoi thagat pa tam se Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji in lawri ba role mana Manipur gi damakta honori ba cheli ba chongi ba sema iba policy program mayam se tung koina lakada ba tungi mirol chahi lising da kallaga nga agle horogda ba dum potuni sumnagi thika ama pirakpanate college am sana pirakpanate school lama lingna pirakpanate jati sigi kannana ba jati sigi ngakna na ba laibak sigi ngakna na ba ina pirakpa dum pone aduna masi pirakna ba or masi tana hona ba matam sangi hujik chu mayam na harisi kaidawrige se casualty su son ba yada mishi mina si kana go makharana hek pis lauro boga pis tu gai dagi hona basu mayam ne khambri dungai yam nungai ta bai ge punsi da hantak bu nungai ta bai leite wana khoi mayam sangna hona dana margi sil naung sing unna dana wari sadana thadaugi sil naung sing unna dana wari sadana kana gi mizoram matang series of meeting interaction tawra kanda kasar da silsar da satana ani homrang meeting tawdana peace koi punna peace leide ko ikoi oire ko na laukthok minadana marne maitai ne kaya nungai adui momento adagi thadau na koi NRC ai koi adu tawi koi imphal da lakke kan torokpa yamna encouraging way ba development ama la akanda mi phatta ba kharana inchal laga jiri da thugai ki bodo madu ishorna ba moi sungang apiro yo ishorna moi sungang apiro nata koi pis hala ama bani ai samak ahing na tumin na chelaga unada phong na unaba yadaba leaders sing unaraga manungda unaraga civil society unaraga silchar da ani rak lautho holabani peace ahum suba langthok kadabagi numit ni khadang airaba numit neba silchar da irang la halaga thugai bigirda madu ishor aidi ishor yam thajabani pani ama mangan khairbe ishor ma moido soidana badani pigani ramdi kanasu khilan pamde illegal migrant hoigera immigrant hoigera drugs hoigera whatever law of the land adugi niti niyom matungina or constitution inan constitution gi madugi matungina ek ki matungina tausi haiba ngatani tau haiba ngatani koi kanagumam de khoi ngasi bawbada ahenba police force adu ada senarga khoi haigi basuleite dawguda basuleite taugi basuleite aduna yaubiri ba senior citizen mayam amusu yaubiri intellectual mayam amusu yaubiri civil society gi mayam amusu yaubiri satra gi sangsan singi leader mayam amusu yaubiri aduna ai khoi gi only future kaida lege kana khoi unite hoiba khoi unity leise akhoi masen hunnogum si asoi batakna se suggestion pina se haina se aduga punjan lakanda khoi angtang chap manana lep numitu da ba akhoi manipur gi rang loi gani akhoi masela het sumaina sum taule ri kak amuk injan naraga lai amanong injan naraga lai amanong injan naraga lai tawdi yaroi United Nations da Mizoram gi the sangba refugees sing di fajana treatment away akhoi gi Manipur da sangba di jail da sup khubi na tam local media mayam am le jail da khoina karamba illegal immigrants sing refugees sing phugi bagi record lai gi ne thengna gi bagi lai gi ot gi bagi lai gi ne refugee am ta khoi ill treatment taw bagi Manipur da kari lai loina ada sang sare ga cheng chak period ga ada biometric lorga eye scan lorga नेगेटिव कार्ड पाइनब इंडिया की सिटीजन होब प्रोसेस तो कुतनी अखोइना तौब अदुग लोइना चेंग चाक पीरग थमे अना लायंग मग थमे अखोइगी जाति से आ मेरे बाग योलग करी कानगे है तौब पोट ओरदी ओके तौब पोट ओरदी हायोब तौदब पोतो आदा तौवेदना हायरग करी कानगे है पॉपुलरिटी से करीनो पॉपुलरिटी से ये थबक्तुगी मतुंग इन लाक्सगदबनी अदुना लोइसिनजरकपदा सि याम नुंगाई सुमाइना आई मणिपुर प्रजा की म्यूट सिल्लगा ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी ऑनरेबल यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह अदुगा लेबिरिबा कैबिनेट कलीग पुनमक पार्लियामेंट की मेंबर पुनमक भारत की मणिपुर की प्रजा सिंह ऑन बिहाफ ता नखोय मैम अखोइना तौबिमल खंग उच्चरी थागतचरी नखोइना पीअब मणिपुर सिगी सांगलब हिस्ट्री बु मसक खंगबिरगा मतम सांगना सही हुंबु हुंबुद्रा हेना पिबिरमद्रबा नाथैरग थंबिरमबा अखोय की मणिपुर की इंडिजिनस पॉपुलेशन बु कंजनबगिदमत इनर लाइन परमिट पिबिरखिबा मधुगिदमत भारत सरकार बु मरोइन बीजेपी की अदुगुंबा लेट एंड द गवर्नमेंट सेंटर द लेरिबा बय हनना थागतचरी अदुगु लोइनना मणिपुर की मियाम इनर लाइन परमिट फंगनब होनबदा स्ट्रगल तौबिगिबदा यावबिगिबा मयाम पुनमक बोट हिल इन द वैली की मसिदैदा मथाइ थाख्रबा चानपा रॉबिन हुड मागी फैमिली अदुगा मसिगी स्ट्रगल सिदा अशोकपन क्या नंगखिबा अदुगुंबा इमा सिंह मरुमपांग इसिलनाव इसे इसिल मयाम पुनमक मणिपुर सरकार की तरफ तगी हन्ना थागतचरी लोइनना आई गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल सिंह दा रोइबोइना पोट अमा फंगबुदु फंगबा मदुंग मदुगी इंप्लीमेंट तौबुदुनी अखोइना याम सेक्शन गदबसे इंप्लीमेंटिंग पार्ट 2 अदो इंप्लीमेंटिंग पार्ट 2 दी गवर्नमेंट की मेशिनरी सिंह ओइबदिना प्लीज सिंसर आई अतै कन्ना हाइरोय जाति कन्नबगी पोनी मिसिंग यामजदब अखोइगी इंडिजिनस प्रूफ से कंजनबगी अदुगुंबा अमतंगाइब खुलाइनी मसि लाना सिनगनु करिगुम नसागी कानाब खरगी तोंजब खरगी येंगाकांदा लाना सिनबिगनु ngarang nan thoi ba thogdok to adugum do amon thon bigno adagi amana ngasai Victor na zuhai gare joint secretary home na yum da bara thambi ba matam da or labor ne na porko matam da please do identify them first who's who moji kai deino karino moigi background antecedent kari kari me amje khara चेक तौबीरगा थंबियो नत्रगदी एकता लायबिलिटी सी ngसागी ओनर दुसु लायबिलिटी यावबनी आइदि लाना तोरमगदी अदुना अदुगुम पोन मयाम दु यांकदा कोइ पुनजलगा अंगथंग अखोइ जाति सी लेबाक सी मपुंग फाबा याम तोंगान में टॉप टॉप आइडेंटिटी में इपा इपू की हक तक लेरमबदो अदुमाइना थंब ngamnana होना मिनसी हना हाइजरगा आई मयामबु अमोहन खोमजरी जय हिंद
थागचरी इकाई खुमना जरी बंगसिगे थोरमसिगी चीफ गेस्ट Honorable Chief Minister Manipur Shri Nongthombam Biren Singh ngasigi pangthokchariba thoram 5 years of implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur with an interactive session with beneficiaries of CMESS special package to startups entrepreneurs for employment of IDPs under Manipur Startup Scheme 2.0 asigi matang dasu yamna marik chumba wafam sing thambiramba loinana laibaki huzik yamna chiraba tanfam tanja sida akhoi masel amana ama chingthanaba amana ama yengthinabagi mahutta mayam pukchel khoijel tinana amata oiba pandamamaga loina changsin minaningbagi apamba thambirambani ikai khuna jariba chief minister bu hana thagatpa phongdokchari ngasigi pangdokchariba thoramasi loisilak poina thoramasigi thagat warol board of thanks thambiranaba nolukchari Joint Secretary, Home, Madam Anna Arambam, IAS.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am deeply grateful for this opportunity to stand before you today to express our heartfelt appreciation for making today's program for the celebration of 5 years of implementation of Inner Line Permit System in Manipur with an interactive session with beneficiaries of CMESS special package to startups and entrepreneurs for employment of IDPs under Manipur Startup Scheme 2.0, a big success. On behalf of the government of Manipur, in general and particularly the Home Department and Planning Department, I'd like to extend our sincerest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister for gracing this occasion with your presence. I'd also like to convey my sincerest appreciation to all the Honorable Ministers, Honorable MLAs, our respective Chief Secretary, senior officers of the government, family members of Sapam Robin Hood, the CSOs who have come today, all the CSOs, the student unions, the IDPs, all the bank representatives, all the startups, our friends from the press and media, and all invitees in today's program. Thank you for your presence here and making this occasion a big success. I'd like to appreciate the tireless efforts of all our staff of Home Department and Planning Department who have worked till late last night to make this event a success today. Thank you very much. And as we conclude this function, I hope that whatever we have learned, whatever our Honorable Chief Minister has placed before all of us today, we'll carry it with in our hearts and help in the implementation of the ILP in the state. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, Madam Anna Arambam, IAS, Joint Secretary, Home, for that heartfelt vote of thanks of today's function. Ikaikum najaribi, Madam na vote of thanks thambi kraba matung asidi. Ngasigi pangtok jariba thauramasi matang asida lushin janabagi tancha yorapaga loinana. Aikoina pangzariba yamna mamal yamlaba khudolasi adumak yamna kumang yaungna changshinba amadi aikhoigi damakta yamna aphaba aikhoibu ngakpi shenbiduna leigadaba act mo in implementation toba matamda ngasai sumamangda thambikhiba mayamna takpiramba aikhoigi su saruk yamna chauna lei haibaduma khangminaraga ngasigi damaktadi pomnamaki mafamdagi kaniya thangni jari mathangi olakpa chahida sidagi hena chauna thoram sinduna mayamga mupunmina si haiba wapamadu thamjaraga ngasigi damaktadi thoram sinja langjariba Home Department and Planning Department, Government of Manipur gi mahu sinjaraga pomnamaktagi kaniya thangni jari pomnamakpu kurumjari.